Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Good morning, my dear students. Welcome back to EVS class. How are you, kids? I hope you all are fine and doing great. So let's start our today's class. Open page number 20 and see. Okay, students, let's continue this story. Owl. All right. The soil cannot do the things you do, but for your growth you need water and food. Where do you get them from? Mango. I get them from the soil. So here for that owl says that okay fine, the soil do all the things. The soil helps the mango tree for the growth, and for the growth tree needs water and food, and tree gets its water and food from the soil, right? Owl. See, you need the soil for your growth. Mango. But I get food from the leaves shed by me. Soil. But it comes through me only. But here mango is arguing that the leaves which are shed by mango tree will goes into the soil, and by the decaying of those leaves soil will be enriched with minerals, and from the water and minerals a tree will grow. For that soil says it also come through me. Next, owl. See, we need both of you. Here no one is more or less important. So owl says that here we need both of you. No one is more or no one is less. By hearing that argument, the other animals such as squirrel says, dear owl, mango said that it is a living being. What about the soil then? Owl. Soil does not grow, it does not need food, so it is a non-living thing. So from here we can classify that a thing will grow if a thing needs food, that it is living being. If a thing do not grow, if a thing do not need food, it is a non-living thing. Understood? Monkey. Why did you say that both are equal and we need both of them? Owl. Look around, dear monkey. There is soil, water and air. They are non-living things, but you think a while. Can we live without air, water and soil? All. No, never. All of them praised the owl and went away happily. So monkey says that by seeing how we can say both are equal. So owl says that there is a soil, water and air. These are all non-living things, but we cannot live without air, water and soil. So we need air, water and soil to live. Understood? So soil is also important and mango tree is also important. From the tree we get oxygen, right? By saying this, all will fly away very happily. Okay students, I hope you all understood this story. We will stop here. Jazakallahu khair. Thank you.